Integrating email marketing with marketing automation platforms in 2024. Step 1. Understand the basics of email marketing and marketing automation. Email marketing, sending targeted, personalized, and relevant messages to your customers and prospects through email. Marketing automation, using software to automate repetitive tasks such as email marketing, lead nurturing, and customer segmentation. Step 2. Choose the right marketing automation platform. Research and select a marketing automation platform that integrates with your email marketing software, e.g., MailChimp, Constant Contact, etc. Popular marketing automation platforms include Marketo, Pardo, HubSpot, Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Step 3. Set up your email marketing software. Connect your email marketing software to your marketing automation platform. Set up your email list, segments, and subscriber groups. Configure your email templates and content. Step 4. Integrate email marketing with marketing automation. Set up triggers in your marketing automation platform to send emails based on specific actions or behaviors, e.g., abandoning a cart, clicking on a link. Use APIs or connectors to integrate your email marketing software with your marketing automation platform. Map your email marketing workflows to your marketing automation workflows. Step 5. Create automated email campaigns. Use your marketing automation platform to create automated email campaigns that trigger based on specific actions or behaviors. Design and send targeted, personalized, and relevant emails to your subscribers. Use A/B testing to optimize your email campaigns. Step 6. Set up lead scoring. Set up lead scoring in your marketing automation platform to assign scores to leads based on their behavior and engagement. Use these scores to trigger automated emails and nurture leads. Step 7. Monitor and analyze your campaigns. Track the performance of your automated email campaigns using analytics tools, e.g., open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates. Use data to optimize your campaigns and improve their effectiveness. Step 8. Integrate with other marketing channels. Integrate your email marketing with other marketing channels, e.g., social media, content management systems, to create a cohesive marketing strategy. Use data from multiple channels to create more accurate buyer personas and improve targeting. Step 9. Optimize your email marketing content. Use data from your marketing automation platform to optimize your email marketing content, e.g., subject lines, CTAs, images. Test different versions of content to improve engagement and conversion rates. Step 10. Continuously refine and improve your strategy. Continuously monitor and analyze your campaigns to identify areas for improvement. Refine your strategy based on data insights and changing customer needs. Stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices in email marketing and marketing automation.